At 2:17 a.m., every smart doorbell in a small Ohio town sent the same alert: motion detected. Homeowners checked their feeds and froze. Each camera showed the same thing: a tall figure standing inches from the lens, smiling without blinking. Phones started overheating. Screens cracked. Then the alerts changed. "Thank you for letting me in." Doors unlocked by themselves. In one house, a boy watched his doorbell feed as the figure slowly turned its head and waved from inside his hallway. The next morning, the town was quiet. Every house was empty. Every door stood wide open. Every camera was still recording. Fearful face.